In today's video, I'll show you how to insert video into your title slide. First go to Insert, and insert rectangle in your blank slide. Then again insert a rounded shape rectangle. Adjust its length and width to 1. Then duplicate the shape as shown. Make some rectangle bigger or smaller. Now select Rectangle, then Rounded Rectangle, and go to Format Shape, select Merge Shape, and Subtract. And give it white color and no outline. Now go to Insert Video from Device. Crop the video and send it to back. Now give background a gradient fill. Insert text and give it animation like this. And there you are. Subscribe for more tutorials.